How to log into a Lyft account. Let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded Lyft app on your device. If not, you can head towards App Store or Play Store, search for the app Lyft and then download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll be redirected to this kind of page. Click on the option Get Started. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the details of your Lyft account. Use your phone number or you can use your Apple ID. I'm gonna use the phone number. First up, click on this drop down and select the country. Now go ahead and type in the phone number. After you type in, click on Continue with Phone or Apple ID. Now you will be receiving 6-digit code in the phone number or the Apple ID that you have just entered. You'll need to type in that code over here. After you type in the code, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into your Lyft account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.